Alright guys, what we're going to do today is just very simply we're going to go through how to do some technical drawing. Very simply, we're going to start with 1 point perspective. And 1 point perspective starts with one vanishing point, a horizon line, and then the object, whatever that might be. So let's start off with doing a square in 1 point. So I start off with my square and I then have a horizon line, and on that horizon line I have a vanishing point, or the VP. And all I simply do is, everywhere there is a 90-degree angle, I rule that edge towards the vanishing point, okay? I can do this edge here, but because it's hidden behind the shape, it's not necessary, but it's there. When we do 2 point, that becomes more important, but at the moment, we don't need to worry about it. So we look at this line here and we ask ourselves, is it vertical or horizontal? It's horizontal. So this is where your maths comes in, guys. You make your parallel horizon pair, okay? So that relates to there. I then look at this line here, is it vertical or horizontal? It's vertical, okay, so it needs a pair with it. And so at the edge of where I made my first, or the top, I go towards that guide there. And then you can see I've got my square in 1 point. Same thing again if I was to do a rectangle now. Okay, very simply, horizon line, vanishing point. Same thing again towards the vanishing point. Everything always goes towards the vanishing point. Is this vertical or horizontal? It's horizontal. Okay, we go across. Is this vertical or horizontal? It's vertical. We come down. Okay. Let's try and do another shape here. Let's try and do another shape above the horizon line now. So we will start with a square. We've got our horizon line, vanishing point. So we look for the corners and everything goes towards that vanishing point. But what you'll notice now is that I won't see the top, but what I do see is the bottom. Okay, so depending on where your object is in relationship to the vertical horizontal line or the horizon line and your vanishing point will determine what edge you see. So we've got the edge of our square here. Is that vertical or horizontal? It's horizontal. We just make a little guesstimate, something that sort of looks okay. We have its partner there. And then we look at this edge here. Is it vertical or horizontal? It's vertical. And we go up towards the guide there. And it also has its partner there. Okay? Same thing again if we were to do a rectangle. Okay, rectangle here. Horizon line, vanishing point. Everywhere where it's 90 degrees. We rule each edge to the vanishing point, and we ask ourselves, vertical or horizontal? This is vertical, it needs a partner. There's its partner, it's parallel, it will never meet. Vertical or horizontal? It's horizontal, it has its partner there. All right, we'll come back and we'll look at some more technical drawing.